Maintenance scheduling. There never seems to be enough time in the day to get everything done. Maintenance scheduling software can help you maximize the time you do have by wiping out inefficiencies and fine-tuning your routines. Maintenance software tools, like calendars, usage-based triggers, workflows, automated reports, mobile apps, and notifications. Give your facility the edge it needs to save time, control costs, and improve asset health.